Anong feeling mo nung makapag-Baguio ka na?
Hindi ko pa alam. Hindi ko pa alam. Wala pa ako dun.
As working adults, when was the last time we had trouble sleeping? Not because we were anxious, but because of excitement while anticipating something good. For the first time in a long while, just like kids going on a field trip, that's exactly how we felt going to Baguio.
Lamig! Finally, we're here!
The pine trees, cold weather, and SUV taxis roaming around, everything was new to us. A day isn't complete without coffee, so we decided to start our morning at Foam Coffee.
Anong reaction niya? Sarap. Perfect bike.
So in a few hours, I will be 27 years old. So 20 being 27, medyo different siya. Kasi ito yung medyo alanganin na edad. To be honest, it's a balance of meron kang peace at the same time, medyo anxious ka for certain areas of your life. Being 27 is weird. You're not really old, but you're not that young anymore. You're in between. Everything went by really, really fast. For us, Baguio is a place to slow everything down.
Pawis ka na? Hindi ko para alamig ng Baguio sa'yo.
Ili means village or homeland, and likha means to create. From traditional to modern food and locally made crafts, it's an eco-friendly, artsy space that supports culture and local artists. Ili Likha is definitely a place to go.
Thai basil with egg. Wow, parang sweet ng bulgogi mo.
Night walks in Baguio are probably one of my favorites. Being the business district, Session Road is always bustling. It's nice seeing a creative community where talents are valued and appreciated, with artists performing and supporting each other along the street.
Bumblebee!
After a long walk, it's time to eat at the night market.
Hello. By the way, order ako ng rabbit sisig. First time ko kakain ng rabbit.
To my surprise, the rabbit tasted like chicken meat.
Siguro, itong Baguio para siya sa mga maganda siyang lugar para sa mga introvert na kagaya namin. It's not about sa mga tao Lagi sinasabi, wala disiplina yung mga tao, ganyan. Pero, kung yun namumuno sa isang cities, nai-implement ng maayos yung mga bagay-bagay. Malinis, walang basura, tahimik. For me, ako personally, kung may chance, gusto ko dito tumira sa Baguio.
Ending the day with pizza is never a bad idea.
Okay, let's try this. Tinake out na lang namin from Volante. Ooh! Ito ata yung itag. Ito yung isa for cheese.
Okay. Grabe yung smoky flavor niya. Parang maano talaga sa ilong mo. Parang alam mo yung ano, yung pagka-smoky ng tinapa, parang gano'n, pero pork siya.
Today's our second day. Where do we go?
Birthday boys.
It's officially my birthday and I turned 27.
Punta kami sa Mount Cloud Bookshop, naka sa Hot Cat.
Let's go!
It's already late, but let's go! What are your thoughts sa pag-ahon?
Pagod.
For 50 meters pa.
Tara.
Let's go. Gusto mo bumili ng postcard? Ito ang ganda mo.
Sa atin na lang, walking distance. Uy,
Happy birthday! I'm sorry natapon ko yung kape.
wala nang aesthetic shot for the
We're back!
So,
We finally figured out how to operate. We actually nireset lang
Yes.
yung settings ng Canon.
Basic settings.
Oh, tingnan mo! Sobrang layo niya.
Kaya nga eh. So day 2 na, tsaka namin naayos na yung zoom.
All this time, binabash ko tong camera na to kasi
Sobrang lapit.
Sobrang zoom in niya. Tapos, ang awkward mag-film sa labas kasi
Oo, sabi
kailangan
nila-
mo siyang ilayo ng sobra.
This part of the trip was all about taking it slow. We didn't plan too much and chose to spend the whole afternoon unwinding at Burnham Park.
Cheers! I have ube and this is favorite
Yeah,
ako.
finally.
Finally, turista na kami. Sadly, under construction yung buong lake. Masaya dito guys. Napaka-tahimik, laid back. Para kahit sobrang daming tao, kalmadong mga mamamayang Pilipino.
So far, wala pa tayong inconvenience na
Or
dito.
siguro kasi may inconvenience man, hindi mo siya mararamdaman kasi
Ba? I mean, like sa mga previous travels natin, parang ito yung least, yung kasi meron mga parang nasa biyahe pa lang.
oo.
Parang ang nakaka-bad trip
Ang hassle.
na.
Siguro itong pinaka-smooth lahat sa lahat ng travel namin. Though nasa second day pa lang tayo.
Hirap itindin paano
Oo.
nagagawa lang mo lokal doon na dito.
Baka mayaman kasi yung mga tao.
Kasi diba sa Cubao, ay sa QC kunyari, pwede mo naman lakarin. Kaya ko maglakad ng 5 kilometers siguro.
Oo. Eh dito, yung,
Kahit pa mainit. Like,
dito yung 500 meters mo, kalmado siya pero hingal ka. Buti na lang.
yung 500 meters, igagrab mo pa.
Oo. Ako naman yung passenger prince.
Ito na naman! Road rage!
Okay, stop muna. Yung ice cream. Wow.
Isa lang binili mo?
Sa akin may tinapay. Famous for their mami and siopaw, Luisa's Cafe was established in the late 1950s. It's long been a favorite gathering spot for journalists and remains a great place to enjoy a quick snack or merienda.
Bawal po. So, na-discover namin ito, wala to sa plans. It's my official birthday cake. Yay! Mga Pinoy eh. Pag isang onting-onti na lang, isang bite na lang, ayaw pa kainin. It's our third day here in Baguio. Yeah. So yun, punta daw kaming Igorot Stone Kingdom and Awan Village. See you there.
See you there!
Known for their Cordilleran cuisine, Farmer's Daughter Restaurant offers local dishes such as kinuday or smoked meat, fresh pakpako, and my favorite, pinuneg.
For the very first time, natitigman ko na yung blood sausage or pinunag. Ang sarap. Sarap. Sobrang malinamnam siya. May very garlicky. Labas na. Labas na. Parang yung typical na panglongganisa, yung skin. Yung ano ng yung bituka. Sarap, boy. So, meron po tayo dito hindi ko makain ng dugo.
Not a vampire.
Yeah. Ayaw mo lang i-thought na kumakain ka ng dugo.
Parang alam ko ng dugo.
Kung hindi sinabing dugo yan, baka kainin mo.
Eh, yung tsura pa lang.
Ano, nasan tayo?
Father's Daughter Restaurant.
Father's Daughter.
Kasi tama naman eh. Father naman. May daughter.
Father's Daughter Restaurant.
Sino yan? Sino yan?
Mas gusto namin tong Tamawan. Sobrang nature vibe.
Yes, and preserve siya.
Oo. Mararamdaman mo na sulit naman yung bayad mo na 100 pesos dito.
Kasi ito mas, ano siya eh, natural, nature siya.
Sa support yung artist, meron din silang exhibit kanina dun na sa kabila.
Hey. Hey. Hey there.
Tunog ano siya, parang japchae. Kamjanhae.
Hey.
Kamjapchae. Tingnan nyo, parang ka lang nasa Sunken Garden. Diba? Parang ka lang nasa UP eh. Oh man, simula na umulan. Layo na nilakad namin. O nasa 1.5 km na akyat baba. Pero here we are. So far we like this place na. Ang ganda ng bahay. Colorful, chill. Sayang lang wala yung mga gusto namin na may mga strawberry, hindi kasi season ngayon. One thing we like here sa Baguio is bawal mag-vape, bawal mag-yosi sa labas. So wala ka talaga nakikita masyado. Or parang wala akong nakikita. Wala akong nakitang nag-yosi or nag-vape talaga.
Or pero may designated din. Bawal na tayong pub. Pero may designated.
Pero kumbaga, yung mga tao dito, sumusunod din talaga. Sarap, sobrang perfect sa panahon. Ito pala, traditional blend. Sarap pa. Balance lang yung pait. Hindi siya sobrang tamis. Try natin tong bibingka. Oh.
Bawal pala ang motor sa session.
Bawal umutot?
Bawal motor.
Bawal umutot sa Session Road?
Motor!
Bawal daw umutot sa Session Road.
Talagang ulit-ulit pa, mali naman.
Umutot pa naman ako dun ka.
Ay,
Bawal umutot sa Session Road. Now. Ang sarap ng bibingka. Tron de lang ka. Ano lasa?
masarap siya.
Sarap.
But still very
Anong
sweet.
pinagkaiba niya sa usual na turon?
Hindi siya sobrang tamis.
Lahat dito hindi sobrang tamis, no? Today's our last day.
Yes.
So sad, but we have to go back and work again.
Yes.
Let's go!
Let's go. Strawberry.
Me is strawberry.
Wow!
Put it here.
Ayan. So yun, yung strawberries pala dito. Nagre-rent lang yung mga farmers dito, pero yung pinakamay-ari nito ng farm is yung Benguet State University or BSU. And it's time for pagtatanim pa lang. Kasi na-flood to from the recent typhoon. So no strawberry picking for now. So baka next year na, mga summer na ulit magkaroon.
Eating sir, tapos ito yung pork.
Ito mas mababa.
Hindi sir, mas mataas yung eggs. Mas matamis siya.
Ako gusto ko ito pangalawa. Ano tong pangalawa, te?
Kwan siya. 14%.
Toss na, no?
This is my second time actually. And I think yung last time na nakapunta ako dito is 2007 pa. 8 years old pa lang ako noon. Pero halos ganun pa rin yung itsura dito sa Mines View.
Ang ganda. Ganda ng view.
Hello. Ganda, bagay sa'yo ah.
Doon na kayo doon. May kabayo, sa may steps.
Sikat na yung hometown.
Saan?
Yung kabundukan.
Hindi naman eh. Pero dito ka below. Find natin yung outfit mo. Ikot ka.
Welcome to Japan.
Nakalamig pala yung bambus.
Sulit bayan na 100 kasi every akyat parang
Something. Sobrang nakapagod. Ang taas.
Bigat pa ng dala ko. Ko alam. Yung daan dito eh. Mali ba? Wala. Private. Saan yung daan? Ko alam. Niligaw pa kami eh. Ang lawak pala dito. Cool mo yan.
school ko yan. St. Philip Mary.
Hello, St. Philip Mary. Grabe yung pagod dito, bossing. Pero grabe, sobrang sulit. Ang ganda. Ayan, ayaw ko na umuwi. So, na lang dito tumira. Sobrang ano lang. Sobrang foggy. Grabe, sobrang foggy. Sobrang foggy.
What we came for.
Few hours later.
What we
Finally,
came for.
what we came for. Kita na namin. Woo! Finally, you're here.
So that ends our journey. So far, sulit naman lahat for the past 4 days.